Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a mango smoothie without blender. Here I have prepared all the recipes that you need to make a mango smoothie. Frozen mango, yogurt, ice cube, sugar, mint for decoration, and you need some heavy creams. Now take a pot like I did here and put yogurt, mango and sugar and mix it. I'm going to use this handy mixer. It is easily available in the market. Now start mixing it.
Oh, why is not working?
No, it doesn't work. Get a blender, put this on it and blend properly. Wow, it looks yummy and fresh. Now put some ice cube in a glass and pour smoothie on it. Add some cream. If you want to make heavy cream at home, click the video in the icon or link is in the description below. Top some dry nuts. And mint leaf. Enjoy! Please do like, share it with others and consider subscribing to my channel for more food recipes. Thank you for watching.